Hey kindergartners! All right, today we're working in our Go Math workbook, so make sure you get out Go Math. We are on Chapter 4, Lesson 5. It says, break a 10-cube train into two parts. How can you use matching to compare the parts? Tell a friend about the cube trains. Draw the cube trains. Okay, so I have a cube train here. I'm just going to randomly break it. Oh, there we go. I have two parts. What can you tell me about those parts? Which part is greater and which part is less? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3. So here is a cube train of 3. I'm going to trace it like the directions told me to. And here is another cube train of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, a cube train. It broke. A cube train of 7. So my cube train of 3, and I have a cube train of 7. Yours might be different. But this was my cube train, and I can tell you that 3 is less than 7. Or I might say 7 is greater than 3. There we go. The directions for page 150 read, Malia has the red balloons. Andrew has the blue balloons. Who has more balloons? Use red and blue cube trains to model the sets of balloons. Compare the cube trains by matching. Draw and color the cube trains. How many in each set? Which number is greater? Circle the number that's greater. Okay, this one has a lot of steps to it. We're going to break it down. Let's count. Here's the red box. So let's count the red balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first thing I like to do is write the number so that I don't forget. 6. Oh no, look at my pencil. I need to fix it. All right, since that's broken, I'm going to use my mechanical pencil. So 6 red balloons. How many blue balloons? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's write a 7 in the blue section. Straight across, and down from heaven. That makes the number 7. And then it said to model a cube train. So you can either use your red and blue cubes, or I'm going to show you another way. We're just going to use our counter. So the top number is 6. So let's count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The bottom number reads 7. Let's count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we have 6 on the top, just like here, and 7 on the bottom. And the directions read, circle the number that's greater. Remember, greater means more. Which one is greater? That's right, the bottom one. It has one more than this one. So 7 is greater than 6. So you can circle the 7. Kyla has 9 tickets. So let's write that number before we forget. Kyle has 9 tickets. First a loop and then a line. That makes the number 9. Jared has 7 tickets. All right, let's write 7. Straight across and down from heaven. That makes the number 7. Use cube trains to model the set of tickets. Compare the numbers, and then we're going to circle the number that's less. And you may already know which number is less, but let's make our cube train. Let's do a blue cube train for 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I need some more. 5. Let's put another one on. 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. I have a cube train of 9. So we're going to put it up here. There's 9. The bottom one is 7. Let's do a red cube train of 7. 1, 2. Uh-oh, I need more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have a cube train of, get back on there, 7. We start from the line right here, so they both start from the same spot. That way I can see, this one doesn't want to stay together. That way I can see which cube train is greater and which cube train is less. So the directions read to circle the one that is less. Which one is less? Less means menos. Less means smaller. So which one's less? Yes, 7. Look at 7, how small it is. So we're going to circle the 7. Yay! Okay. The next one, problem 3. Problem 3 reads, fill 8 prizes. Okay, we know how to make an 8. No more snowmen. We know how to make an 8 now. We make an S first. Make an S and do not wait. Climb back up to number 8. Phil won 8 prizes. Naomi won 5. All right, who remembers how to make a 5? Across, down, and around. That's 5 that I found. Who won fewer prizes? Remember, fewer means less. Fewer and less mean smaller. So which is the smaller number? Well, let's see. Use cube trains to model the sets of prizes. Circle the number that is less. Okay, so 8. Let's count out 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to take this last one off. Now I have a cube train of 8. So I'm going to put it on. We start at the line, so they measure starting at the same spot. And a cube train of 5. Let's count 5. 1, 2, 3. Here's another one. What comes after 3? 4. It's not quite 5. Need another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We started at the line. Oh, this one's a little easier to see, huh? Which one is less? Who has the fewer prizes? Yes, 5 is fewer. Look at that. It's so much smaller. So we circle the 5. This reads, Ryan has a cube train with red and blue cubes. Does his cube train have more blue cubes or more red cubes? Make cube trains of each color from the cubes in Ryan's cube train. Compare the cube trains by matching. Draw and color the cube trains. How many cube trains are in each train? Circle the greater number. Okay, lots of directions here, so we will take it one step at a time. First, since Ryan's cube train is starting with red, let's count the red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, 5 red. So first we write the numbers so we don't forget. Across, down, and around. That's 5 that I found. Let's make a cube train with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, we're going to start it from the red line, or just from the line. It's not red. And then we're going to count the blues. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's make a cube train of 3, shall we? 1, 2, 3. And it's okay if you have orange and green ones. Just decide which one you want orange, probably the red, that's the closest, and green can be blue. So you're going to put that on here. Go ahead and trace your cube train. So traced my red, and I traced my blue. Oh, I forgot to write the number. How many was it? 1, 2, 3. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay, 3. Around a tree and around a tree. That makes the number 3. Okay, there's my cube train. Since some of you are using orange and green, we won't color them, but you can if you want. The last direction reads, circle the greater number. All right, greater means grande. Greater means more. Which one is greater, 5 or 3? Yes, 5. So we're going to circle it. Yes. Good job.